I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Kunal Agarwal. He is founder and CEO at dope.security. Kunal, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Oh my gosh. Amazing experience being here, first off. So thank you so much for having me.
It's a pleasure. Now, I'm very excited to talk with you, but before we do that, just a quick note to our viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Kunal, tell me about the business. How'd you come up with the idea?
I guess it all starts with the name, right? Like, what's in a name? Dope Security. Now, where I'm from, in California, near San Jose, is you can't go 5 minutes without saying dope. It's impossible. So whether it's like Top Gun 2, nice movie, nice book, nice restaurant, everything that has a lot of energy and passion towards it is dope. So I worked at these big cybersecurity companies, Symantec, ForcePoint, et cetera. And when you're there, that passion and energy sometimes can be missing. So this idea of like, let's put everything possible to make the best UX, the best marketing, the best product, and actually care for our customers. And that is what we call as dope security.
All right, now you launched the company in September of 2022.
Yeah.
And you've been pretty successful. Tell me about that. How have you been so successful?
I think it comes from the team, right? So like all of us worked in cybersecurity for a very long time. Like I started off as I like to call it a child hacker when I was 8, 9 years old. But everyone in the team, we've been working in these big companies, small companies, but everything comes to if you have that dope security signature experience where we're actually building something that we care about, right? We really want to make sure that our customers have a great experience using it. And when we're building it, we're like super mission driven. We want to have that come down to the individual contributor. So everyone in the team, we've come together. We're around 30 people now, and that's the story of dope security.
All right, so tell me, why is your fly direct tech architecture such a breakthrough for this aspect of security?
So imagine you have a company, right? 1,000 people. So you have all these different softwares, cybersecurity softwares on them to help protect the computer. And one of those, which is very popular, is web security. And so this has become a huge business. There's several listed companies that do exactly this. And the problem is that when you access the internet, you're going from your internet to a data center that's controlled by a security company, and then from there to its destination. So it's like you taking a flight from San Francisco to New York and then stopping over in Texas. Or you going from San Francisco to LA and then stopping over in New York. Like, why would you ever do that?
Right.
And so that is the idea behind the technology, is fly direct. Why stop over if you could fly direct to your destination? And so what we've built is the software that runs on the device itself, so that you don't have to stop over anymore, you just fly direct.
All right. Now, congratulations are in order. You recently secured a Series A fundraise. So tell me, what's next for the company?
Well, it's a blessing, first off, because I'm from Mountain View, ultimately, and our company's based in Mountain View. And then Google, which is also in Mountain View, is the one that actually ended up funding this round. So for me, as coming from a kid to where we are now, is a big thing. So between that, coming here, doing this entire interview here, it's like almost pushing us to make this even better and even bigger. So we have to take it to the next level, obviously. So we started off with this secure web gateway concept, which is fly direct. We're making on the CASB part, which is almost another layer of security. And then finally, making together this fly direct first class experience.
All right, well, Kunal, this has been dope. So great talking with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Hopefully the first of many more times.
Great.
Thank you.